Hello everyone, it's Blade Mo. So today I'm going to teach you how to increase your network for not lagging. Maybe you want to browsing or playing games. So I have a tips that you can follow my lead. Okay. So first of all, you're going to open a search or this. After that, you can type CMD, right? But first of all, don't choose the original CMD because you need admin. So you're going to run as administrator. After that, you can IP. You can. Hey, wait. You're going to follow me, okay? You're going to type IP config slash all. After that, you're going. There's many commands, so you're going to follow me again. You need to follow my step, okay? So first of all, you're going to type ping. Okay, ping. Okay. After that, you can type minus L. L, not one. Okay. L. Okay. So after that, you can space bar. You can type a 800. Okay, done. After that, you can type this DHCP server, this DHCP server. Okay, going to follow this. Okay, going to follow this. So I'm going to type a 192. Yeah, one. Okay, after that you done this and you're going to minus. You can space bar and then min t. After that you can enter and there's going to be like this. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is for increasing your network. So hope you enjoy, hope you like it. Don't forget to leave a like, maybe comment and subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.